Allah said in the Quran in Surah As-Saffat, and when it is said to them, La ilaha illallah, yastakbirun, they become arrogant. They deny to say La ilaha illallah. The mushrikeen in Makkah, the time of the Prophet Muhammad, they refused La ilaha illallah because they worship the 360 idols. They have a 360 gods which they worship. And they know the meaning of La ilaha illallah. You have no longer any God, but only one God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today, there are billions of Muslims, they say La ilaha illallah without knowing the spirit of La ilaha illallah, without knowing what is La ilaha illallah. Yet the many of the Muslims, they say La ilaha illallah, but their center, their purpose of life, their everything is money. If you say La ilaha illallah, then you have to know that from the Quran, and you have to testify that the meaning of La ilaha illallah, inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alameen. Surely my prayers, my sacrifices, my living and my dying are only for Allah. There is no partner for Him. Subhanallah. What is the Muslim children are knowing today? When they are growing big, they learn from their family, you have to become educated, then you have to have a good job, then you have to make, or you have a good business, you have to make lots of money. If you are a doctor, you have to make lots of money. If you are a lawyer, you can go and make your profession of lawyer, save the criminals and punish the innocent. Regardless, make money. If you are an old man and if you are living in a Muslim country and if you have no money left when you are old man, they think you are nothing, you are garbage because you did not make money. You are loser. And if a person is old man now and he has lots of money, they respect him. They say he is something. He has lots of money. He makes so much money. He is successful. Either it's Muslims or Christians or Jews or Hindus or Buddhists or atheists or communists or socialists or capitalists. Most of the people, their God today is money. When you wake up, you think about the money. When you are daytime, you think of the money. When you finish your work, you think of the money. When you sleep at night, you think of the money. Who is then your God? Who you worship now? 24 hours, one thinking. Even you are eating with your family, you are thinking of money. Phone comes, you stop sitting with your family. You want to answer the phone because there is money there. Day and night thinking of money. The mission of the life is money. Living for money and dying for money. So what is the use of saying La ilaha illallah? When you say La ilaha illallah, there is no God except Allah. There is no one can give life and death except Allah. There is no one can give benefit and loss except Allah. There is no one can give honor and dishonor except Allah. There is no one can make me successful except Allah. And there is no one who can make me loser except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Money is not success. Allah is success. If I have Allah, then I have everything. And if I don't have Allah, even all the world belongs to you. Even all the world with the gold belongs to you. You're a loser.